to be showing you guys how to do a cute, simple look, so stay tuned. I'm going to go in with primer using the Rose Glow Face Gloss by Revlon. This shit is perfect. It's pink, you know, it's so cute, so glowy, and it's like the perfect base for this look today. I'm going to go with my brows using the Power Brow by NYX and also the NYX Lift and Snatch. This is so good to make those little bitty hairs. I went ahead and did them. Now I'm back. And girl, I found this concealer at the Dollar Tree. Like, what? And then a foundation. I'm going to use e.l.f. Halo Glow. And then some Milani foundation I found at my local Ross. I just dab it all over my face and I pat it around. I kind of mix the two shades because, you know, I can never get my foundation shade right. So here I am just mixing the two shades. And y'all, this look is good for Thanksgiving, Christmas, honey. Any look that you need that is cute. And yeah, so I blend out with a brush now. I used to blend with a beauty blender, but now I blend with a brush. And it's so cutie, period. And it's so good. Sorry, I'm just rambling. Like, I don't like doing voiceovers. And concealer. We're going in with the Incognito, my favorite, my whitest, my brightest, most best girl. She's so good. I put her in my T-zone, on my forehead, on my under eyes. She is amazing and she gets the damn job done. Am I right? Am I right? This video is not sponsored, but you know, y'all holla at your girl. Period. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with a beauty blender. Sometimes I use a brush, but I haven't really got into the brush yet. So, beauty blender it is. Y'all, I feel like I'm talking so fast. Like, bear with me. Make sure y'all also subscribe, like, and share the video if you haven't done so already. Everything is very, very, very much appreciated, and I love you guys. And yeah, girl, just blend that shit out. Now I'm going to go in with another concealer for the liquid contour. This video is drugstore friendly, so that's why I whipped out all my more affordable, cheaper products. And if you also don't know, y'all, I have my own lip gloss company, Talia Cosmetics. I have lip gloss coming out with skincare. I already have liquid blush on my site. Go to Instagram, Talia Cosmetics, period. And yeah, go order you some blush, girl. Christmas gifts. I have lip glosses dropping tomorrow night, Saturday, November the 18th at 6 p.m. So I'm going to blend my concealer contour out with a brush. Just a really thick density kind of brush. Just something to make it fluffy. Blend it out. Get it real nice, smooth. Yeah, girl. Gonna blend out the nose. Y'all, I love a good nose contour. Sorry I'm so hoarse. Time to go in with powder bronzer, period. This is old as dirt. It's Palladio, but it is so good, y'all. I swear by this shit. Like, if you've never tried Palladio, go get it. Period. Go get it. So good. But sorry, back to my voice. I'm so sorry. Everybody tell me I sound like Krishan Rock. I am just a hoarse, natural girly. I love it. I wish I sounded like Kim K, but you know, it's cool, it's cool. Everybody's good and different, just a little raspy queen. So there I am just blending it out. I'm really just setting my contour everywhere that I set my liquid. Going around the nose, I use a smaller brush. It's so cute, so little. Get that nose real snatched and lifted. Y'all, I promise, I know what I'm talking about when it comes to makeup. I'm a makeup artist. I have won multiple competitions in makeup. Never went in Tennessee. Shout out to your girl. So believe me when I tell y'all, makeup stuff coming. Keep tuned. Keep freaking tuned. Anything y'all want me to do, any videos, me and my husband have a video. Videos coming. We have a YouTube channel together, Dom and Leah G. Go check it out, period. So I'm going to set my face, going in with the Morphe Bake and Set and Brighten in Pink. You know your girl loves pink. If you can't tell by now, then I don't know what you're looking at. Because it's pink, pink, pink everywhere. So I'm going to set it in all the normal baking spots. Baking is not really, you know, a trend no more. But if you want your makeup to last, girl, no creasing, please bake. Please get around that nose. Do not leave the nose hanging, girl. What are you doing? Brush that away. Let's get it out. Let's get it gone. I did let it sit for a good, like, 4 or 5 minutes. So just let your bake sit. Look at that. Ooh, girl. She is bright. Cute, bright under eye. Yes, ma'am. I'm going in with my favorite blush by Wet n Wild's Pinch Me Pink. Y'all, This stuff has every blush I've ever tried. Like, beat the fuck, like, beat. Sorry for cussing. I'm sorry, YouTube. Don't take this down. Beat up, beat it up, beat it up, beat it up. So, put it on your cheeks, put it on your nose, put it on your forehead, your chin. Like, yes, girl. Like, you gotta stay blushed. You gotta stay cute. Look like you blushing. Like, that's the whole point, girl. Blush, blush, blush. Now everything's finished blending. Make sure it's seamless, blends, and it looks so good. You don't want to be walking around with little lines all over your face, girl. Get the apples of the cheeks, period. Gonna go with some random ass palette I got from like Marshalls or some shit. Sorry for cussing. I need to stop that. But I'm going to blend it on highlight. So cute. So pretty. She is glowing. She is Cleopatra. She's a goddess. Yes, ma'am. So we're going to blend it in all the normal highlight spots. Make sure you get that forehead. You want to glow where the light goes. So I went to Dollar Tree. Quit sleeping on them. I found this big mascara. I don't really wear a lot of mascara. I normally have lash extensions on. But my eyelids have been real swollen here lately. Bad allergies. So I'm going to try this out. It's $1. Y'all, the Tony, Yoni, whatever the brand is called from Dollar Tree. That is so good. I want to order it. Like, I tried their website and I just cannot get it. But I love doing mascara. Lower lash line. It just helps and it looks so freaking good, y'all. I cannot explain enough. Please put mascara on your lower lash line. Don't be out here looking like a naked cat. So, and then I'm going to use whatever is left on my eyeshadow brush just because I'm doing this look and I'm really not going anywhere. I don't want to waste a lot of product. Even though I just put a whole face on my face. So we're going to blend that out. You can see there's hella on my eyeshadow brush. Okay. So period. It's looking all good. Here's the lashes, y'all, from this brand. Ooh. Oh, she came back with the lashes on. She's so cute. Here's my blush. Shop my blush, guys. Shop my blush, shop my blush, shop my blush. Like, if you're local in Tennessee, do a pickup. Come meet me. Do a pickup for some makeup. I love you. I love all the girlies. Girly pops. You know, period. So there's my blush. I use like a little brush or a beauty blender or a sponge, whatever you want. I use a brush though. And can you see that pigment? This is in the shade Raspberry. I have one in the shade Strawberry. She's a little bit lighter for the more fair tones, but this is beautiful. I just put 3 little doo-doo-doo dots and I blend her out so good. Up to the eyes, under the eyes, up on the cheeks, everything. Put a little bit on the nose, forehead. Just blend her out. She's so cute, so gorgeous, and so lightweight. You can wear this for a no makeup look or however you choose and however you fancy your blush. I'm going to go with this lip liner. I do not know what it is, but I know it's Palladio. Actually, I think it might be the shade Gingerbread from Palladio. Top lip liner ever. It's so good, so bomb. And we done. We out here ready to go to Thanksgiving, some turkey. Yeah, you eat. Let me know what y'all eating. Cause honey, I'm gonna make a ham this year. But I'm cute. See you guys after the holidays. Hope you guys enjoy this makeup look. And please like, share, subscribe. And I love you guys. Bye.